Hey guys, just doing a quick video on a transmission swap. I had a question about a 97 to 98 swap. I'm going to try it out. This is not a DIY or whatever for bolts and stuff and removal. It's just doing information on 97 to 98 because I had the question, so I'm going to try it out. But anyway, look for some videos on that. I found quite a few videos on it on how to take it out. Pretty good videos on how to do everything. Pretty simple. A little tough underneath there though, and always be safe. Make sure you use good proper jack stands and everything. But yeah, anyway, back to the subject. 97 to 98 transmission. I did some quick research, found out that they are the same transmissions, although I am not positive on that. The only thing that changed was the housing. Everything is the same. Measurements are the same. Torque converter, bolt positions are the same. Everything looks the same. It all measures up. But hopefully it'll work out for me. I'm going to update a video on how it's working out and stuff like that. I'll post a video in the future. But yeah, also if I could get some experts or somebody who knows everything about the gear ratios on these trucks, for the gear ratio for the transmission to the rear end. But yeah, that's a 97 to 98. Greatly appreciate it if I get some information on this. I'm going to try it. I believe it will work. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.